Hi, welcome to this episode 6 of this making a miniature frame. So what we will do now is we are going to make these roses. If you could see, I have made few of the roses over here. These are the miniature roses. That we have made. These are few of the ones in other colors for you to have an idea how to make the roses. I've already told you about the punch in the first episode, so we will not go into which punches to be used. Now I've already punched a few of the petals that are required to make the rose. Now this is a white paper. What I will be doing is I'll be using the distress ink aged mahogany to color it. This aged mahogany is you can use any other one, just make sure that it's a little lighter, darker, as I have done on other petals. Some places it could be light, some places it could be dark, or you can have the whole thing darker one, depending on what kind of a shade that you want. I wanted some, and then you can release a little. This ink bleeds a little, so it might also turn out to be a little lighter over a period of time. So once I have colored it, you can even use two tones, one depending on whatever is your liking. So once you have this done, what you will do is you will cut it. You will give small, very small cuts in the corners, if you can see. This will help you to make the petals better, if you can see now. Then what we will do is we will use the embossing pads. Use this ball tool, and we are going to try and emboss it. You can even use a bigger one, smaller one. I like to use this one because it gives me better control. If you wish, you can even do on the back. Yeah, so this way your petals are ready. Now what we will do is we will use glue to stick the middle one. What I usually do is I will put a lot of glue on all the petals. Inside the one I'm going to make the bud, I'll put a little more glue. You can see it. I'll be putting more glue. And then what I will do is I will go ahead and try and squeeze them all into one and make a small bud. This is the most inner. I will just roll it. It will be easier for you to. There's nothing much. You just have to get them all together and see to it that they are stuck. The next one is I might use a darker one. If I wish, I will make sure I do a little more of, The next step is, so the bigger the rose I want, I'll keep on adding. So I'll put a little, the second layer, again a little glue, and then what I'll do is I'll stick it. Again the same way, trying to stick all of them together. You can add up to 4 or 5 petal also. I think we will be doing up to 4 petal. So again the same thing. What I'll do is I'll add in the middle, little on the inside so that it sticks. Again, the same process we will follow. Stick this in the middle. And bend them together. We will do another one. The same way, in the middle, few at the sides. And stick them again. Now, having done that, you will see it's a very close bud and it's not an open bud like this. So what you will do is you will take a very fine tweezer, and what you will do is you will try and do a little, you will try and fold each petal. Make sure that it is stuck properly. It will help you to open up each and every petal properly. This requires a little fine handling of tweezers. Maybe your first 1 or 2 roses might not come that nicely, but once you know the trick and you know how to you can start making the roses. You can start making the roses like this. Smaller things are very difficult to handle, so be careful. And yeah, so see, this is the rose, this is the rose, or you can even make a stem rose out of it. And after this, the roses are made, what we will do is we will stick them like this and add leaves to it. So next time I will be teaching you how to do leaves and these white flowers also. Thank you.